Hey there, folks. Chuck here, and look at me. I got my first mail call. Nice gentleman over at TK Diecast, Travis, sent me this really nice box of stuff. He's got a great YouTube channel that I highly recommend you checking out if you're a big fan of diecast cars. It's a review channel, mostly, and he does a lot of really great comparisons between Greenlight and Auto World castings and Johnny Lightning castings, and the overall accuracy of the castings to the actual cars, and a lot of cool trivia about the different diecast cars that he reviews. So it's a great channel. I'll have a link in the description. So this is a box of stuff he sent me that he can't use anymore, and I'm really excited to dig in and start taking care of some of these, giving them my special treatment. This 59 Cadillac from M2 is very cool. It's in excellent condition. I'm going to have a lot of fun with these. I like the ones with the different opening doors and hoods and stuff because it gives me lots of opportunity to do cars that are missing hoods and doors without busting out the jeweler saw, which I have yet to actually do. So, yeah, addressing the elephant in the room. I've been gone for a while, and I apologize to the three blind mice for not being in the last month build and for not participating in this month build, but the coronavirus has definitely thrown a wrench into a year that has already had several wrenches thrown into it. And here is a really cool 69 Pontiac GTO. I believe this was a Johnny Lightning. I was trying to get the hood open there, in really nice shape, at least until I'm done with it. This is a really cool Johnny Lightning Ranchero diecast, by the way. I'm amused by their fake weathering on that. I think I can do it a little better. And yeah, I thought I'd have more time to build, and it turns out with everybody at home, my time is even more in demand than it was before. So yeah, I was trying to do too much at once and trying to grow the channel too quickly and really hyperextending myself from where I needed to be with my new job and with my needs with my family, with us being at home all the time with a 2-year-old, and with my wife trying to figure out her job as it was going remotely, and teaching high school is not exactly one of those things that easily translates to going remote. So yeah, another Johnny Lightning Ranchero there. I'm excited to have fun with these. I really like those steel wheels. So yeah, I hyperextended myself. I was staying up until 3 in the morning, a lot of nights working on things, and it was not good for me. The pressure of trying to get all of this stuff done, and just kind of gave up. Boxed all my stuff up, took all my cars, threw them in plastic bags, tossed them in the shed. I was just like, if I can't do this right, I'm not going to do it at all. And that's not a good attitude. It was kind of just high stress, high pressure. A couple of M2 Camaros here. Anyway, yeah, long story short, it's been a process, and trying to figure out new job and the requirements there and how much time that's going to take. So had to reassess a lot of things, deactivated my channel for a while. Thank you to the nice people that followed up on me and checked in. It was much appreciated. I figured I would just deactivate my channel and nobody would notice, and people did notice, and that honestly meant a lot, and I really appreciate people checking in. The long and the short of it is I am back, sort of. I've got 2 more episodes that have been shot so far. I've got like 2 shots left on episode 5, and episode number 4 is in rough cut now. Oh, I was excited about this Cadillac Alante. That's a Johnny Lightning as well. It's got a cracked windshield, but again, that's not going to stop me from doing a fun build with this one. But they were both for the Deep Junk Garage build and the 3 Blind Mice build, which are both long path. I am going to be continuing to build, and I'll continue to work on this channel. The posts are going to be a little more few and far between, but they will keep coming. So thank you to everyone who asked for more. There will be more. I'm excited about that. 240 there as well. I'm gonna have fun with that. The videos might be a little shorter. They might not be as exhaustive, so I can get these done a little quicker. And Travis really went above and beyond here and sent me these really nice wheels and tires, these extras. That's really nice. You can never have too many extra rubber wheels and tires. That's really nice of him. I'm going to start with 1 full build a month and see where it goes from there. And maybe I'll do 1 or 2 supplemental mini builds where they're built off camera and you just kind of see a before and an after, and it's a 2 or 3 minute video. and I can just kind of go over the finer details of what I did. But yeah, so not dead, not in any danger now, I don't think. I'm very excited about this blazer too, by the way. This is really cool. We're doing a good job of social distancing and staying indoors, and my family has been wonderful and very encouraging through this, and I really appreciate all my friends and stuff that have helped me as I'm adjusting to this new world and this new job and this new lifestyle that all of us have had forced upon us. So thank you, everybody. This is a quick update. So stay safe. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you to everyone who's liked and subscribed to my videos. It really means a lot. And I'm looking forward to bringing you more stuff and interacting more with you in May. I will be back building again for video in May, but for right now, I'm just going to focus on the 2 that I have that need editing and posting. And maybe I'll see if I can make a 3 blind mice build happen in May. But I'm taking the rest of April off from interacting too much on YouTube and social media in general to just kind of reassess my priorities and what I can actually fit into the hours that I have available in my day. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.